Alright, Carrington sent me this email asking this question from one of our quizzes. It says, let m equal 4x minus 2. If 4x minus 2 squared minus 20x plus 10 equals 36, find one solution for x. Okay, so here's the important thing here. It looks like this is the only place where we have a 4x minus 2, but really, there's a hidden 4x minus 2 inside of this. Let me show you what I mean. We can write this as, I'll write it down here, 4x minus 2 squared. And what can I take out of both 20 and 10 so that I'm left with a 4x minus 2? And remember, this is really a negative 20. So to get to a positive 4, I'd have to take out a negative 5. So if I take out a negative 5, yeah, that would leave me with positive 4x. And if I take out negative 5 from positive 10, yes, that would leave me with negative 2 equals 36. And since m is 4x minus 2, I can replace everything I see with 4x minus 2 with an m. And now this is a pretty basic equation to solve. But in order to solve it, I need to get this 36 to the other side because I need this to equal 0. So I'm going to subtract 36 from both sides. I'm going to do this all in black now, giving me this equation. This is a simple factoring problem. I need something that multiplies up to negative 36 and negative 5. I think 9 and 4 are going to be my numbers, and I think it's going to be negative 9 and positive 4. So that means that this is m minus 9 times m plus 4 equals 0, and therefore my solutions are m equals 9 and m equals negative 4. But that's not what the question asked for. Let's go back. The question asked for a solution for x. I've only found a solution for m, but that's no problem because I know what m equals to in terms of x. So I can say 9 equals 4x minus 2, and I could say that negative 4 equals 4x minus 2. And I can solve either of these equations, and that will give me a solution for x. Let's do it real quick. Add 2. Add 2, that gives me 11 equals 4x. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. There's one of my solutions, 11 fourths. Do the same thing over here. Add 2. Add 2. It gives me negative 2 equals 4x. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. And that gives me x equals negative 2 fourths, or you could say x equals negative 1/2. And there's your two possible solutions. The question just asks for one. Just says find one solution, but either one of these is correct. And again, we find all the places to replace it with 4x minus 2, a 4x minus 2 with an m. And there's actually two spots. Then we solve for m, and then after we solve for m, we can solve for x. Hope that helps.